تذكر يوما كنت تعانق دمعة الفكر تناجي الله في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري فعاش القلب إخلاصا وصرت تحوم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this video where I'm going to explain how to deploy a website for free using Netlify. It's quite easy. What you would want to do is go to netlify.app and then you would want to sign up. And for me, I'm already signed up, so it would automatically take me to my account, and then these sites are the ones that I have online. But for you, you're going to see a different screen, which is this one right here. And if you have, or if you're using any of these tools, you can sign up with the account you have for them, or you can create a new one with email, just an email and a password, sign up, and then they would ask you for verification on that email. But what you would want to do after that is, for you, it's going to be just a blank screen, where this is for me, it's going to be add new site. But for me, I already have sites, so add new sites is up here. You'd want to click this. If you have add new sites, you would want to click add new sites, and then it says import an existing project. Remember if you have GitHub, which is one of the tools you can sign up with. See GitHub. If you have your GitHub account connected to this one, or you use like GitHub to sign up, what you can do is like use that GitHub repositories. Yeah, the GitHub repositories to like deploy the GitHub repositories. So like we can go here and say GitHub is one of the things. Once you click here, it's going to show you all the list of your repositories. Like, see, number one is connecting to one of these, and then number 2 is picking the repository, and then you have it deployed. That's it. But for now, I'm going to just show you how to deploy it quite easily without or manually, without having to use GitHub. You'd want to press deploy manually, and then this is your website. Just drag it and drop it. If you don't have drag and drop, you can just press browse to upload. But for now, I'm just going to drag and drop, and then there, this is where the site domain name will appear. So I'm just gonna reload. There's no particular reason I reload. I just reload because I just think it makes it load faster. I'm not sure, but that is the theory. So going to the deploys web page, so that you're first going to be on the site overview, which is this. It just tells you the website name, and this is how it looks like. So if you click on it, it should take you to the website, which is this. And currently this file is just an index file that says this is my website. Paragraph goes here over and over again, and that's it. That is the current website. And the thing is, if I want to update this, just one second. If I want to update this and let's say what should I do? Open with? Yeah, Notepad. If I want to update the website and make it, instead of saying paragraphs go here, I can make it say like nothing, like no paragraph. And I usually don't use Notepad. I use Visual Studios, but for now, Notepad has to do. You can deploy, or you can update your website that is manually and not like with the GitHub repository thing. So you'd want to press deploys and then come back here, scroll, and then see where it says need need to update your site, you can just drag and drop. If you don't have drag and drop, you can just browse to upload, but for now, drag and drop and give it like 1 minute reload. Usually takes like a minute, and there we go. It's updated. Now there's no paragraph. It's that simple. The other things that you might want to take note is the domain settings, which is found site overview, domain settings, and here you can change the domain of this, like this part. Like the other part is mandatory. So when you press options edit name, you can delete this to something that isn't being used, for like factual. That's not the right spelling, but you could change it to that. And as you can see, now once I reload this, it's no more a website. I'm going to have to go to factual, and here's my website. So you can change that domain, or you can add your own domain by pressing add custom domain, and then the domain that you want to add. And let's say like I want to add something like factual.com. It's going to ask me to verify, and right now register domain now for $11, $11.99. Let's try the current one I have, admins.nl. See, this one is already free and it's already registered to me, and I can press add domain, another site. Yeah, I'm already using this, but for you it's gonna be different. And it's when you complete the steps, it's going to give you for now I'm gonna just show you Freenome. It's going to give you, once you complete the steps, it's going to give you a DNS, which I'm going to show you in 1 second. So if you go to Freenome and then you go here and search for, actually I'm gonna sign in, and since I'm using DuckDuckGo and not GoDaddy, DuckDuckGo, it's not going to let me use Facebook. And there we go. Once I've signed in, I can just go to services and then register new domain. And this takes a little bit. This website is kind of slow, but they offer free domains, and this is where I got mine. And you can search for like free, actually let's just do factual, like the misspelling of factual, and it takes like a minute, a good 1 minute to reload all the data. And there we go. These are the options you have, and then the rest are all paid for, or you have to pay for them. The free one, we're going to see if this one is available. Yep, this one's available and it's in my cart. I can just check out, and I can have it for 3 months, but I can also have it for 12, basically a year. Continue, and then yes, I've read, which I haven't. Like, I don't think anybody's gonna read terms and conditions, so. And I hope it doesn't say anything bad, because I haven't read it. So it's continuing. Okay, and that's it. It's already registered. I can just go to my domains, and there we go. This is the one that is active. I can press manage domain and then manage Freenome DNS domain name server, and then actually you don't want to do that. Go to management tools and then name server, and then use custom name server. And then I'm going to go here and write factual oh yeah, I forgot the .ml. Yeah, I'm not sure why it took me from the screen. When I added my domain, it should have taken me to add domain, and it's verify add domain. And then continue, and this is what we want. Basically everything is the same except that number right there, 1 2 3. So I'm gonna do it myself. Go here, 1, go here and make this a 2, go make this a 3, make this a 4, and there is no 5, so just change name server. And there we go. Now this will take a minute, like maybe 5 minutes, and then this will take like 5 more minutes, so like 10 minutes in total. And then it also has to give you the HTTPS, and that also takes like 2 minutes, so 12 minutes max. There we go. It's done from Freenome. If you're using like a different domain, what do you call it, like website, or like GoDaddy, you know, if you're using a domain from like GoDaddy or Google domains, it's the same process. If they can let you change the name servers, then you can just take the netlify DNS and then just plug it in to the name servers. And as you can see, it found the domain and it connected. And there we go, ta-da! It gave me my HTTPS. So now if I go to factual, and instead of .netlify.app, I can just go to .ml, and there we go. Yeah, it takes like a minute. I'm not sure. It takes like 2 extra minutes for this. Yeah, it takes like a few more minutes for the HTTPS or HTTPS to work. So give it like a minute, another minute. 1 second, I'm gonna reload. Yeah, see, it's still loading. I mean, at that, like earlier on, it gave a tick and I thought it like worked, but it's still going. So just like a couple of more minutes and it should. I'm gonna reload again. And there we go. It gave me I'm gonna reload again. Yeah, this takes a little bit of time. Maybe if I just go to, and there we go. And this is just a new tab. I guess this tab is not. Yeah, see, it's HTTPS. I didn't pay anything, no payment, nothing. It's just all free. Even the domain name is free. So yeah, that's about it. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.
فينمو الورد بساما وينشر أطيب العطر وتحيا في نجاحات بنور الحق والنصر.